Coyote Mar back at it with another video. We got the 5.0 out right now. If you guys are wondering, we do got to run versus another ESS 5.0. Now this 5.0, he don't want to do hood popping, so it is a risk that he is on nitrous. No way to really tell when we're not doing hood popping, but we out tonight, baby. So what?
BZ?
I don't know.
I see BZ sticker.
That's one draw race right there. Most things, yeah.
You already seen us snack that blue Mustang in the last video, man. Got Bandcamp out right now. Y'all know what it is. Boy, Atlanta Hellcat, man. All these cars you already seen on the channel before. My little bro Tone, rest of Bandcamp, man. Y'all know what it is. You don't want to pop hoods, little bro. What you thinking about that?
I mean, his tuner is SMP, which is what they known for spraying, like people said.
Notorious for spraying.
If we lose, we already know what the deal is. There's no other car that should be.
No, if he's motor and blower set up just like me, it should be an easy dub for me. But if he is spraying, of course he will obviously pull up top or whatever.
We really doing this for the YouTube content.
Yeah, we're doing this for you guys, man. We're doing this for content for y'all, because we can't find any other runs.
He can't get no other race, so he's like, fuck it, I'll race him. We gonna all go throwing like $100.
Yeah, nothing crazy, man. We're not throwing in nothing crazy.
I'm in the shorts out here for this run.
We ain't even feel like coming out tonight, to be honest.
Real,
but hey, like I said, we're trying to get this content for y'all, man. So make sure you guys are staying tuned for the channel. If you haven't yet, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Got BZ racing out, man. Y'all already know some snacks right here. All these little BMWs and shit.
I know you.
It's the 5.0 we racing tonight.
I'm gonna follow this after we drag. Look at this. Hold on. That was the best time to sell.
The ESS 5.0 that we are running tonight. Bandcamp, I know what it is, man. Yeah, that's cool. If you're finna go check out my car right now, so make sure you guys are staying tuned. But we catch y'all in a second.
Nah, I'm not worried about that. Why your bumper still on? Yeah. You don't got a rear bumper. You don't got a front bumper. Yeah.
Are you ready for a new one? Yeah, I'm trying to get another one coming back. These bumpers fly off easy as fuck, bro. Those clips are shit. Yeah, we were trying to blame me.
They think like niggas ain't never touched that rear bumper at all. Huh?
So yeah, head up 6160.
Do you want to do flip for 60 to 150?
Nah, 60. That's what we agreed on, bro.
I was just saying I was down the run. I didn't really say nothing about the road.
I did. I sent the message 3 times for the 6160 though. Huh?
That's cool. Alright.
Do you prefer like a left or right side?
Y'all gotta go over there, bro. That shit in the back is fucking.
Can you count?
Can you count?
I don't want to count.
I'm not trying to count either. You don't want your own 50.
So if you don't want to count, I don't want to count. I think the fair thing to do is just do a flip for it. You just flip for it.
You don't want to flip for 150?
No, but we agreed for a 6160.
I never agreed on the road. I just got around.
I sent the message 3 times.
You said a whole bunch of shit. I was just saying already. But I'm down with 60.
I said 6160.
We can flip on both if you want. Make it fair. That's a fair thing.
That doesn't make sense. You've always wanted 6160. Why 6150 now?
Because my car died out.
You learn something new about the car every day. How about you got 2 of your rules and then you just count. Fuck it. We already didn't pop hoods. You just count.
I don't want to count. Just flip for the count.
This nigga's both.
That's fair, bro. Just flip a coin.
It's fair to me about flip for 150.
Yes, he got his 6160. No popping hoods. Look, y'all got y'all no hood popping. You got 60 to 160. All we got is location. Fuck it, just count.
You have the stock lights in your car? Because I have my lights are blacked out. You won't even be able to see me inside the car if I'm counting. They're blacked out. That's what I'm saying. If I count them, be on my left side, so my hand.
All right, then. As long as you count, we be on the left side.
Okay. When I count, my hand's gonna be outside the window. 1, 2, go.
So how you gonna count? Are you gonna do some bullshit at 1, 2, 3, or you gonna?
Yeah. My hand will be outside, fully extended.
You gonna do a full count, or you just going 1, 2, 3?
I'll do a full count.
All right.
Do you want my hand to be extended outward, or do you want to be inverted? Like right here.
Outward for sure. Outward, nigga, for sure.
Head up, 6160. What do you want to do if the car gets in the way?
The car gets in a race, we run. But if it's noticeable, like a nigga already won, put 2 cars dead, whatever.
What do you want to do for chases a race?
Chase a race.
Okay, breaking 100, you quote that?
You said what?
Chases a race, breaking 100.
Breaks 100.
Yeah, like we have, so to say, let's say I feel like you jumped and I chased, but I stopped at 90. You can run it back because I didn't break that 100 mark. The mile per hour, at least.
That's a tough one. A lot of niggas be doing that. I don't know. You can't look at me on that one, little bro. I don't know, cause you might stop after a nigga hit on you. Disgusting. Fuck that, nigga. Let's chase that shit.
Spinning like a motherfucker, man.
Drag them, nigga. Drag them.
SMP dead. You know what's going on, man. Hey, run that back, bro. Hold on. Why we acting like we don't always win, though?
Look at that. Look at that. Go, boy.
Let's act like we been winning. We been doing, man. We been doing this. Sheesh. Got some better lighting now. We can go check out the car. Oh, I didn't even know this was like a blue color. I thought it was black. But sheesh. Got that big ass wing on there. Tuned by SMP. Y'all see it.
Every time I shifted a gear,
SMP dead. About to send us right to his DM. How you feeling, man? What it look like from outside?
Money, nigga. That shit too easy, bro.
Bro, I spun to like 100 something. That shit was like,
it was like what, 2 cars?
yeah. I let off a little bit, got back on it. I'm
No popping hoods. I thought this bitch was gonna be. Nigga, it's so cold though, right? I was in the car with my girl, right, nigga? I'm like, you went. So I'm like, what the fuck you go for? And I'm like, damn, that must be dead. I didn't know he was the one. And then I look ahead, I'm like, this nigga gold. I'm like, this nigga Lund.
Hey, spark that up real quick. Yeah. Wait, these niggas SR? Huh? Yeah, I guess so.
He was SR.
He beat who?
I don't know, dang.
He active? This one? He dead though, right? Yeah. Yeah. Get paid, baby. Yo.
Hey, that was a good race, bro.
Good run, bro. On God.
Here you go, bro.
Appreciate it. Y'all see what it is, man. Finna go ahead. Hold on. Count it real quick. Oh, yeah.
This nigga said, give it to me, give it to me. Let's put that shit on. Can we put it on your hood?
Hey, tell him.
Y'all see the breadwinner right here, man. Camp for the motherfucking win. Let them know what it is, little bro.
Camp for the win, bum ass.
Yeah, exactly. You know we gotta throw the SMP on
2,
there.
3, 4, 5. Hold that so the wind don't
That's
blow.
5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 6. Pilar, you might have to come hold
Yeah.
1, 2, 3,
6.
4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jumpers video right here.
Trying to get the GoPro footage up for y'all, man. But y'all know what it is. As y'all know, man, band camp for the motherfucking win. Ain't lost yet with this new setup, boosted setup, ESS G3 going to work, man. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. It's your boy Coyote Mar. Catch you guys in the next one.